Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. It's one of my favorite days. My favorite box has arrived. My Trendsend by Evereve. So if you are not familiar with Trendsend, I will leave a description down in the description box along with a referral code. The referral code gives you 20% off of anything in your box, and it also gives me 20% off anything in my box as well. So for those of you that have already used my referral code, thank you very much. I greatly appreciate it. So in your box, you will have a style note, you will have your outfit ideas, and then you will also have your invoice. And you do get, it does look like I have a 20% off on this one. And if you purchase 5 items, I believe you get an additional 10% off. So, woot woot. So, this style box, they do come in outfits. So, you get, I don't know, between 7 and 9 items, which I like. So, you're paying a $20 styling fee and you're getting more items in your box. Of course, that's more opportunity to spend more money. And Trendsend is a little more expensive than some of the others. But let's get right into my style note. Okay. Cindy, happy Trendsend Day. I had a blast styling your box with inspiration from the Virgo style theme box. Included are chic must-have pieces that will continue to refresh your fall wardrobe. These effortlessly trendy and versatile outfits will have you getting excited for your upcoming trip to New York. Plus, we'll have you covered for the rest of the season. If you love a piece but need a new size, use the exchange option at checkout. I can't wait to hear what you think. Enjoy, Greta. Fantastic. So if you saw my last video, my last Stitch Fix, I will put it in the card up here. But I am starting to request items for an upcoming trip to New York for the Thanksgiving holiday break. My daughter is dancing in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Woo woo. All right, so let's get right into this. So here is our first bundle. All right, so it looks like we have a very pretty and soft, large, extra large cloth and stone plaid shirt. I like it. It is a little bit longer in the back, shorter in the front. Very pretty. We have a pair of good legs crop, good American black jeans. Very cute, no distressing. I like that as well. All right, so that's outfit number 1. Let's go ahead and go through all the outfits and then I'll try everything on. All right, looks like we have a belt. Nice little accessory. You can always use a good belt, which I do not have. Who would have thought, right? All right, next bundle. All right, here's our next bundle. Looks like we have some sort of little purse in here. Okay, so this looks like it is a crossbody, little silver metallic, dark gray kind of bag. If I remember correctly, I think that Laura from Little Box of Happy got this in one of her boxes. I think it can be worn a crossbody as well as like a fanny pack. So that's kind of cool. So this would be a good option for my trip. We have some sort of camel collared sweater. All right, this looks like to be some sort of like a little poncho type thing. It is closed down through here. It has a little bit of a slit on the side, but it does have wide arms. And looks like a cow neck. It's very soft. Very pretty. All right, and we have some shiny pants. You guys know I liked the last set of shiny pants. And I had to turn them, I had to return them because they did get a little bit of damage on them. These look like they are a pair of leggings, but they look like jeans. The front pockets are not functioning. The zipper piece here is not functioning. The back pockets are functioning, so those are kind of fun. Okay, final bundle. Here we go. We have a lot of neutrals this time, which is fine. I did ask for the Virgo theme box, not because I'm a Virgo, but because I liked the look of the items that were in that box this time. So All right, so it looks like we have a white sweater. This is like a boat neck, long sleeve. Looks like it's going to hit right at the waist. It might be like an off-the-shoulder type of sweater, which is pretty. And again, this is very soft. I like the texture. It does have a little bit of texturing to it, a little bit of ribbing. And this one is also ribbed. This looks like it is more, no, I thought maybe a sweatshirt type material, but no. Okay, so this is interesting. It's kind of a cream color. Again, it's ribbed. It kind of has a look of a sweatshirt, but it does have different angles here. And then it also has this little drawstring there at the bottom. So I'm not real sure how I feel about that. It's kind of boxy. So maybe it'll look better on. And then we have a pair of jeans cut from the cloth. These are toothpick skinny. I don't know what that means. So, toothpick skinny, these are the high-rise Mia Fab Ab. And there's no distressing. There is a raw hem, which I like. I do not have any that are like that. So, I don't know, this looks pretty fun. All right, so I'm going to get to trying on. I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with outfit number 1. So this top is very, very soft, very comfortable. I do like the plaid pattern. I like the material. I like that it's a little bit longer in the back. It is a button front. The buttons are covered. Let me show you that. So you can't see the buttons there. They do have a covering, but they are functioning buttons. Get a little bit closer look at that pattern as well. Just a black and white with some grays going through there. They are buttoned also at the sleeve. There's not a cuff or anything there, just a simple button at the cuff. I do feel like this fits me nicely. I don't feel like it's too big. I don't feel like it's too small. I feel like it's a very good fit. Let's see what it looks like with a front tuck. So that's not bad. As you can see, the belt doesn't fit, but so I don't know. What do you guys think about this one? I kind of like it. Of course, it always depends on the price. We'll go over the price at the end. Okay, so there's the shirt. As you can see, the belt does not fit. I cannot get it closed, so the belt's going to be a no. Again, I will go over the price and such, though, at the end. So here we have the Good American jeans. Very good fit. It looks like they did size up for me. These are a skinny. They feel like they are a high rise. They're coming up to the belly button. Again, I feel like they're a good fit. We'll turn around here. And let me pan down so you can see the bottom. So what do you think? I mean, I feel like they're a good fit. They have some movement. I'm just not sure if I'm ready to just move away from the skinnies. I mean, I like the skinnies with boots and things like that in the winter months. And I know that we've been wearing them a lot with tennis shoes and things like that. But I also know that they're kind of on their way out. And I'm trying not to buy too many because they're on their way out. So let me know what you guys think. I do feel like these are flattering on me and I don't feel like they're sagging anywhere in the wrong spots. These pockets do function. All right, so let's try on our, oh, let me see what our stylist said about this one. So Greta says, black wash denim is a great step into fall fashion. Pair these cropped jeans with this classic soft plaid button down. Accessorize with this trendy gold and black belt and your favorite booties. Well, these are not cropped on me. They do hit me right at, well, at the ankle, at the foot, where they're supposed to hit. So not cropped on me, so I'm not sure who they're going to be cropped on because I'm 5'9", but anyway, all right, next outfit. Okay, here we are with outfit number 2. Let's see what Greta says. Keep it cozy, chic in these, oh, that's, sorry. This is actually outfit number 3. Make a trendy statement with these faux leather skinny pants. Pair them with this autumn-inspired poncho pullover and add this versatile crossbody bag while you travel in style. Okay, so the crossbody bag has a very sturdy, pretty gray and black strap. It does have buckles here that are very easy to use. And this is kind of like a charcoal gray buckle, which is very pretty, very chic. This is a charcoal gray. It has one large pocket. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, with another belt. I'm assuming this is probably the fanny pack piece, but it has a pretty good size pocket here. And then an outside pocket on this side that's just open, and then a zipper pocket over here. So it's very versatile, like she said. I agree. Now, the issue is, would I wear this? Would I utilize this if I weren't traveling somewhere? I mean, I wear crossbodies all the time. I just don't know that this is necessarily my style, although it is very cute. So, and it fits and it hits at the right spot. It is very, very easy to change the length of your strap. Super easy. Good quality. I mean, you can tell it's well made. Very pretty. I just don't know that it's my style. So let's talk about the poncho and the leggings. I like the color of the poncho. I like the idea of the poncho, but I feel like it is boxy and it makes me look a little bit bigger than what I am. Maybe if it were belted, I would like it a little bit better. And I also did notice a little bit of a snag here in the cow neck. But it's very, very comfortable. Like I said, I love the collar. It would be great for travel and great, like, you know, on the plane and things like that because it's so comfortable. And the same thing with the bag. I mean, it's very comfortable, very versatile, very sturdy. So, I mean, I like it. I'm just not sure that I love it. So let's look at the back. All right, so I'm going to pan down so that you can check out the pants. Okay, so here we have, these are Spanx leggings. They are more, you know, they're supposed to look like jeans. I wouldn't wear them without anything over this area and the bum area anyway. So the fact that these are fake doesn't really matter to me. These actually fit me pretty well. The last pair that I tried on that were actually from Nordstrom were a little bit tight. I liked them and would have kept them, but they were too tight. I needed to go up a size, and they did not have my size. So I like these, and they're comfortable. I can move in them, and they're not too, you know, they don't make a lot of noise, so that's good too. So these might be keepers. Have to check on the price. We have one more set of outfits. I'll be right back. So the sleeves are a good length, not a balloon sleeve or anything. They're just, like I said, it's kind of like a sweatshirt type of look. But it does have this pretty ribbing throughout. I'm going to see if we can focus in here and you can see the difference in the patterning. So it has these seams going down through here, and the ribbing goes vertical here and then horizontal out here. And it kind of goes down in an angle, which is kind of slimming if you ask me. And then it has this drawstring here. I'm not really sure. I mean, it functions, so I'm not really sure what I would do with that, but I mean, it's there. It's not a big deal. So let me show you the back. So I don't know, I'm kind of surprised. All right, so let's talk about the jeans. All right, so the jeans fit fine. I will say I do like them. They are also a high rise. I like the wash. They are very similar to a wash that I already have, as well as a skinny jean that I already have that are cut from the cloth from Trendsend. Tiny bit of like a distressing piece right here that I just noticed when I put them on, but nothing else other than the raw hem. So I feel like they fit me nicely, but I just don't know that I need another pair in the same wash. So these are probably going to be a no, even though I do like them. And again, they're very comfortable. There's no sagging, so I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I like them. Again, I struggle here with this all, that fading there. I don't know. I just feel like it brings attention to the thighs. I think some Some people have said it's slimming, and maybe it is, and I just don't see it. My eyes just kind of focus right there, and maybe that's the point. All right, one more sweater. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, last sweater. So white sweater off the shoulder, has the large boat neck there so that you can wear it off the shoulder. I do have on just a regular bra, and I just put the strap down just a little bit. It's cute. I just don't know that it's doing me any favors. I kind of wish like it was a darker color, maybe like a burgundy or something. I think I would like it a little bit better. I have so much white and black in my wardrobe already. I'd like to have some color. So, I mean, like I said, it's cute. It fits okay. It's not too big. It's not too small. But again, I don't feel like it's doing many favors here in the midsection. And I think once I sat down, it would be even, ugh. I mean, I own it. It is what it is, and I'm fine with it, but I also don't want to advertise it necessarily. So, I don't know. I mean, it's cute. And it's kind of, you know, dresses the jeans up a little bit with some booties or some heels would be cute. Let me know what you think. All right, let's wrap this up and talk about prices. And I was wrong. It's 4 items. If you purchase 4 items, you get an additional 10% off instead of 5 items. So I'll be ready. All right, as always, that was a lot of fun. So let's talk about prices. And I want you guys to let me know what you think I should keep. I want you to comment down below. I want you to subscribe. I want you to share my video so that it gets out there and everyone can enjoy the fun at Sincerely Cindy Settle. I appreciate your all support always. All right, so here we go. So let's first talk about the belt. The belt did not fit. It is $46.40, so this is going to be a no. We have the plaid button down, which was this one. It is $78.40, and again, these are prices that are 20% off. So I did like this, but not for $78 worth. We have the off-the-shoulder pullover. That is this white one right here. It is $70.40. I think that's going to be a no as well. We have the Good Legs cropped. Those were the black ones that were not cropped on me. These are the Good American jeans. These are $95.20. Like I said, they are a little bit pricier. The jean belt. Oh, we already did the belt. Sorry. All right, the high-rise skinny Mia jeans. Those are these. They are $71.20. We have the leather-like skinny, which are these. These are by Spanx. They are $118.40. So I don't know if I can swing that right now, but I do like these a lot. So if I keep anything from this box, it's probably going to be these. All right, let's see what else we got. And we have the poncho. And that is this one. It is $78.40. We have the metallic bag, which again was very cute. It is the cheapest item in the, nope, I take that back. The belt was the cheapest. This is $62.40. And then we have the other pullover, which I surprisingly liked. That's this one. It is by Varley. It is $102.40. So everything was rather expensive in this box this time. So that's kind of disappointing. So I don't know. This may be a box that goes back. I do like to spend my $20 styling fee, and there were a couple pieces I liked, but they were also $100 pieces. So I'm still going to be paying 80 bucks for those pieces. So I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. I love getting your feedback. Please comment down below. And like I said, please share, like this video. hit the notification bell and make sure that you watch whenever that notification goes off to let you know that I've posted a new video. All of that helps my channel grow. And I appreciate your support. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I am signing out. Mwah.